guys, this is Priya and you're watching Priya Ki Pathshala. So guys, in this video we will learn difference between Python 2 and Python 3. Here the X is a version like in Python 3, 3.1, 3.2 and currently we are using 3.8.2. So the first difference is print statement. So in Python 2 we write print hello world. We don't use parentheses in this, but in Python 3 we use parentheses to print hello world. If we don't use parentheses, it will show error. So the second difference is not equal operator. So in Python 2 we use greater than and smaller than for not equal operators, whereas in Python 3 exclamation equals is used to perform not equal operations. The third difference is input function. So in Python 3 we get string value and in Python 2 we get evaluated values. So let's see what this means. When we enter values, the values is assigned to variable p. When p is equal to raw input enter values, then we will get 5 into 3, 15, and in Python 3 we get string value which is 5 into 3. Now the question arises that how we will get evaluated output which is 15. So for that we have p is equal to eval input enter values. Then it will return evaluated output which is 15. The fourth difference is range function. So we take a variable x is equal to range of 10. So this will print a list 1 to 9. The range 10 is assigned to variable x, and when we check the type, it will return list. So the type in range function is list. In Python 3, when we check the type, it will return a range object itself. That means in Python 3 range is a range object itself. The fifth difference is division operator. So in division operator, when we write 3 by 2, we will get 1. It is similar as in C, C++ and in Java. But in mathematics it should be 1.5. If both the operands are integer, the output will be integer. If one of the denominator or numerator is a floating number or real, so then we will get a floating or a real result. Like 3 divided by 2.0 is equal to 1.5. If both the numerator and denominator is floating point, we will get output as 1.5. But in Python 3, we will get 1.5 when we divide 3 by 2. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and share my channel so that you will get some more information about Python, and please share this video with your friends.